Hello guys, so today we will be discussing RR, Tech Robotics. So this last week we saw robotics have a crazy move. It was like Robotics Mania. The robotics sector flew obviously due to the Trump administration signaling it's going to go all in on robotics over the next year, which gave all robotic stocks some great movement. Obviously RR flew around like 22%. You had KITT, IRBT, they all flew very high. So, a bit about the company. The company is shifting from one-time robotic sales towards a robotic as a service. So, that's the model they're going for now. So basically, rather than selling the robots outright, they want to like lease them and serve the robotics under like multi-year service contracts, which could offer great scalability and offer them better long-term predictability as well. So the company is also very heavy, has a very heavy cash balance sheet with approximately 85 million in total cash, with only a total debt of around 0.79 million. So this is very good liquidity they have, especially for a micro cap. This obviously provides the company some strong liquidity, support that cash burn, and gives them that chance to scale their business and grow. The company is positioning itself as a provider of robots for labor-intensive duties rather than the usual factory or industrial robots. So if RR can secure contracts and scale the deployments, it could benefit significantly from the sectors wanting to reduce their workforce and go with robots. This is a highly speculative play, but obviously with huge potential for growth. The company will need to demonstrate a few things, though, like quarter over quarter revenue growth from their robotics as a service model. So you want to be seeing like new contracts, reoccurring revenue to show they are progressing. So obviously right now, with Trump's administration focusing on robotics as well, this could see RR benefit from the sector massively. So now we move on to the chart. So we saw a small pullback on Friday on a relatively slow slash choppy day. So last week, obviously, we saw a strong trend reversal with heavy volume and a bullish MACD. So I'm looking for this stock to carry that momentum it saw last week into this week. Obviously, I've drew some support lines and resistance lines. So this 480 is the immediate resistance. So this needs to break for a breakout towards that 570, which is the next resistance. Obviously, you can see sort of a cup of handle on the chart with the neckline sitting at around 480. So that would need to break for the next breakout. Obviously, the $3 area seems like strong support. As you can see, it held this level very well, the 200-day moving average, and that's where the stock seemed to have bottomed out. So according to Fintel, the stock has a short interest of 15%, which is fairly high. So the breaking of that 480 level, the stock could see a possible breakout towards that 570 range with a high short interest they'd have to cover as well. So the stock also has a current float of around 155 million, so a moderate size float. So the stock still has good liquidity in my opinion. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.